I was 5, you were 3. We went dancing in the street and you looked just like an angel. You looked up, saw the sky, saw the birds and wondered why they could fly away so high. In the morning I would wake and my heart just couldn't wait to play in your backyard. In the evening I would go telling you I love you so, and I couldn't wait to see you again. It's you and me and everybody else out there, and I can see that everybody knows about you and me, but I don't really care for if I can say that everybody knows about us. Dit was mijn Ghostwriter model filmpje.